This is the California Beach Company Pop and Go Playpen. This playpen comes with a handy carrying case with a shoulder strap, which not only can store the playpen itself, but also will hold all of the accessories. This open-air playpen comes with a canopy, which also has a little pouch, as well as tent stakes for soft ground and stakes for hard ground as well. This playpen is stupid simple to set up and install. Just pull it out of the case, lay it flat on the ground with the middle sticking up, and lift straight up. This is very light and easy to do. Once you lift it up, it will pop out, and then just push down the top of the tent, and boom, it's set up. Just add the little clip to the top to keep it from collapsing, which I actually forgot to do in this video. If you want to install the canopy, use the Velcro to attach the poles on each side. You should attach one side, and then go to the opposite side so that the seams line up with the tent poles, which I also did incorrectly. Typically, you would install the window screen facing forward toward the normal opening of the tent. I love this orange version of the playpen as it promotes a safe escape for toddlers and babies. My kids, even my 6-year-old, loves playing in this thing and they go wild and have a blast. This can also be a peaceful escape and a perfect place for infants to nap outdoors. You can even purchase a separate mat, which will make this even more comfortable for your little ones. Use this on a beach, indoors, on the grass, on the dirt, in shaded areas, in sunny areas, in a sunny spot. The canopy makes a nice cover to block the sun from bright light and UV exposure. It can also help reduce the dampness of a light shower or sprinkle. Secure the tent to the ground with the tent stakes to keep this thing tethered to the ground so it won't blow away on a windy day. If you're looking for a fun and easy to set up and simple to store playpen for your kiddos, this might be just the playpen you're looking for. It can be used for multiple situations, and your children will absolutely love it. Again, this is the California Beach Company Pop and Go Playpen.